Is this thing even on? I have to remember to look into the lens, not the viewfinder, the lens. Hi friends, it's been a minute, more than a minute, but your girl is back. If you're new around these parts, my name is Adwoa, and I make content about my life and adulting and a bunch of other things, but I've been gone from YouTube for a minute, and let me explain why, where I've been, and my plan for coming back. If you're an OG subscriber and you're watching this, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for coming back and continuing to rock with your girl. I know I haven't been the most consistent. Life has been lifing, but we'll get into that. So real talk, I stepped away from YouTube because life has been lifing, but I also feel like I've had a bit of an identity crisis and I didn't really know what kind of content I wanted to put out here. I had recently switched careers. More on that at another time. So part of the reason why I haven't been consistent and I kind of ghosted y'all was because I've just been going through it. I had a massive career change and I also just felt like I didn't know what kind of content I wanted to put out, who I was and like who I was speaking to, but I think I have a better idea. I'm not entirely sure, but please make sure you stick around as I figure this all out. In my absence, I have been focusing more on like TikTok and Instagram just because it's a lot easier to just make quick, silly little videos than to sit down or to just honestly pull out my vlog camera and vlog what I've been doing. I've been getting people sending me messages being like,
"We miss your vlogs," and I'm like, I miss them too.
It's just hard. I also feel like I didn't have the time, or I just wasn't making the time to create content for YouTube. So I'm making that change now. I will try my best to not break that promise. To be honest, I missed making long form videos. I missed editing. Editing was like my favorite part of making YouTube videos. It was a way for me to express myself and just to connect with people, you know? A little bit of an angle change. So now that I've kind of told you about what has been happening, I just want to give you all an update on who I am now, what I've been up to, and things like that. Right now, I work for this amazing startup and I do a lot and I love what I do. I also somehow have become a powerlifter, so there will definitely be content about that. I'm still a fitness girly. I just kind of pivoted, and instead of focusing on like aesthetics, I'm focusing on building my strength. And I think that was the best thing I could have ever done because it just makes me feel really good about myself. I am also on this journey of like navigating my mental health, making it more of a priority to make sure that my mental health is in a good spot. I think as I was like finishing up university and like trying to get my first big girl job, I kind of put that on the back burner, and I could tell because your girl was burnt out. You know, I think I've taken the right steps. Still a work in progress, but I think I'm on the right track. So the reason why I decided to come back to YouTube was not just only because I missed creating and I missed the community I had here, but I also wanted to document my journey a little bit more. I did create a blog that I kind of did fall off on, but we'll get back into it. I also just want to share like everything that I'm going through as a girl in my late 20s or entering my 30s soon, but then also just be more real with y'all, kind of be your internet big sister if I can in some aspects. So all of that to say, your girl is back. I don't have a perfect plan on what I'm going to be doing on here, but I think creating this video is the first step. I know last year I did kind of create a video and said I was back, but I wasn't really back, but I'm back now. Anyways, some other things that are new is that I rock my natural hair way more. I have red hair. You can kind of see it better. I'll insert some pictures of what it actually looks like, and I love it. I think it was the best thing I ever did. So maybe if I'm really feeling it, I'll share some like natural hair videos. I'm gonna try and focus more on like adulting, some fitness stuff, some lifestyle things as well, just because I feel like those are more aligned to who I am as a person now. So all in all, I just want to say thank you for listening to me and sticking with me. If you're new here, thank you for even like coming across this video and watching until this point. I can't wait for you to join me on this journey. It's going to be an interesting one. Interesting, but also fun. So make sure you are subscribed to your girl's channel and make sure those notifications are turned on so that you're tuned into my journey so that we can grow together. So that's that for me. I hope to see you soon and chat later.